Welcome to your new home. So glad you came out to see this beautiful home. And let me tell you, this is so much more than a home. I'm sure you're excited just stepping foot in the foyer and seeing the beautiful open concept living area, these beautiful tile floors, the built-in cabinetry. This place is fantastic. So as we walk around, I want to give you some of the highlights. So the first thing that you can't readily see is this house is comprised of a total of 8 buildable lots. So you have 7 more buildable parcels in this package. So if you want to create a family compound, and let me tell you, I've always said I would love to buy my own private island. And this is kind of doing the same thing, but without the mosquitoes from the water. So you could have a family compound of 8 total houses, 3.45 acres of privacy, and it includes lots on Riley Drive, which is the road you came in on, and also the back street, Fairtree Lane. So it provides lots of options, lots of flexibility. This is the luxurious master suite, and I want you to notice the armoire here can stay. We have a huge walk-in closet. One of the things I really love about this house is that there are surprises around every turn. So the master bedroom has an additional office, sitting area, storage, whatever you want to use it for. Beautiful flooring out here. This is air-conditioned space. If you look up, you'll see the tongue and groove wood ceiling. Great flex space. We actually have 2 areas that are set up well for offices, so you could have his and her offices. We've got this gorgeous modern sliding door here for the master bathroom. The master bathroom has 2 sinks, huge mirror, and look at this beautiful shower. And this shower, look up and down, is tiled all the way up across the ceiling. We've got a couple of high windows for light, but still having privacy, a nice shower bench, glass shower door. And then you have your private water closet here. So this does have a pocket door and also a huge linen closet. So tons of space. That's the master. We're gonna go back out to the main living area and we'll take a look. You've got your dining room to the right here, formal dining. Nice, great room setup. The laundry room here to the right and the 2 guest bedrooms. Brand new carpeting in these bedrooms. Nice closets. This house does have double pane tilt windows, so really convenient for cleaning. Second bathroom, tub shower combo, again with the tile all the way up and down the bathroom. Nice vanity, nice backsplash. Does have a bathroom fan. And the third bedroom, again, new carpeting, same closet, so the kids or the guests are not going to be fighting over which bedroom is better. Then I want to show you this bonus area. So this house has either an air-conditioned 2-car garage, or if you want to continue to use this space as just a spare living area, this could be a great in-law suite. It's got lots of closet storage. It just could be a lot of different things. But this faux wall can easily come down, still have the garage door there, and you convert it right back to garage if that's what you would like to have. Now, mind you, you do have a garage out back, which you can maybe see through that window there. So you do have a secondary garage for this house. Beautiful kitchen, stone backsplash, wood cabinets, lots of drawers, pull-out trash can. I mean, this thing is set up perfectly. Huge pantry. And oh my gosh, this fridge. If you have a family or you're like me and you just like to eat, well, you can stock this bad boy with lots and lots of vegetables and ice cream and whatever you might be desiring. We've got the stove with the actual vented hood. And then we have an eat-in area off of the kitchen, which is lovely. Again, another sliding barn door here, and we have the second office space. And I just think this is a really cozy room, works perfectly for an office. If you don't need another office, you could use this for anything else that you desired, whether it be more pantry space, storage. We also have an additional closet here. No lack of storage in this house. So that's that. Now let's go ahead and walk out. Here is an additional living area, again, air conditioned. This room could also be great flex space, could be set up as a yoga area, gym space, kids playroom, or just another den to sit and watch TV, movies, whatever it is that you're interested in. So I'm going to go ahead and attempt to take us out back. So we're going to walk out. We have a nice patio space out here. And again, this is a total of 3.45 acres. We've got lots on either side of the house and behind. And this is the 2-car garage. This garage does have a car lift in it. It can stay or it can go, depending on what you're interested in. But it is really good space. You can pull right off Riley Drive here and come up to the garage and pull into the garage. Or you could go off of Fair Tree Lane and make a drive from there and bring your vehicles in from behind. So another great feature of this house is that it has RV hookup. I'll show you that on the other side of the garage. So again, if you wanted to park an RV back there out of sight, you could come off of the back road, pull it right in, easy access. So this is a huge garage. It's got power. It is ready to go for whatever you would like to use it for. This house was built in 2008, so it is a bit newer than a lot of the homes around here. And you can see it's custom built, specifically for the one homeowner. And here we have the back area that I was talking about. They have previously had a large RV parked back here. The plug is right there for hooking up the RV. And you could come right off of that back road. So really great setup with so many options. This is in Citrus Springs, Florida, which is a really nice family community. It does have a golf course. It has parks and playground, tennis courts, basketball courts, a lot of great things to offer here for the whole family. And we're centrally located in Citrus Springs, so it's very easy to go to Ocala if you like more options of shopping in a little bigger city, or even go further south to Brooksville, Hernando County for some other options as well. And then for the attractions, Disney is only an hour and a half away. Tampa is only an hour and a half away, so we really are in the prime location where you can have peace and quiet, not a lot of traffic, and just enjoy a great lifestyle. So I encourage you to call me with any questions you have. Schedule your private viewing of this home before it's gone. It's not going to be available very long. Ruth Squires, your realtor on demand. Keller Williams Realty, RES Luxury Group, White Glove Service, Red Carpet Treatment. It's all in the name. We are not the same. 352-476-3303.